Come over
He's over there dancing.
There
you
go.
Oh, he's going to go to your shoulder now.
Okay. Watch him, watch him.
Ain't got no more stomach.
Watch him pull himself up with his bead. Watch him.
Yeah. Give her kisses.
Yeah.
Give her kisses. Oh, sweet bird.
Yeah. This dog says you just got me started. I could eat the whole bag.
Yeah, that was a hole in the bucket.
What about that?
That didn't even stop the hole in the bucket.
What is it? There's one on the carpet down there if you'll eat it.
No, he won't eat it. I'll pick it up now. Give her some snuggle. Say, oh, snuggle the bird.
Yeah. What about it? Hmm? What about it? Hmm? Hmm? I'm just getting the tape over leave it laying there.
Last time I made this, it didn't take. I had paused it and didn't.
Yeah. What about that?
You're in the movies now, Buford.
Yeah.
Oh, he's been in the movies quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
They came to do an article in the newspaper on the store when I first opened up, and the article was about Buford.
Oh. Did more Buford than
The picture was this big of Buford. A quarter of a page.
What is it?
Some snuggling.
Yeah. Yeah. You gonna say Perky? Perky?
He might bite you, Pop. He might bite her. He don't like me.
Yeah.
No, you ain't getting no more, fat boy.
What about it? Huh? What about it? Huh?
You rotten animal.
Are you rotten?
Say, I brat. Tell her, I brat.
Are you a brat? I don't believe it.
Yes, I am.
What about it? Huh? Yeah. Pretty boy.
Tell her a secret. Can you tell her a secret? Tell her a secret. No, don't tell no secrets. Just kisses.
No. Just want kisses. Uh-oh.
He's back a begging again.
You ain't getting no more, fat boy.
Said I'm starving to death.
You could roll an egg off your back.
Don't you sass me.
What about that?
No.
He's a bag.
No, he's fussing.